Don't drool on me. High five. High five. All right. So, you're not going to help, you lazy butt. So the other day we got our March. Get out of my toys. We got our March Retro Pop Box. 1980s. If you don't know who Retro Pop Box is, they are a subscription box service that, I'm tired and out of breath, that, try not to kill my dog over here. They, contain items that are nostalgic throwbacks to different decades. They currently have 3 different decades that they have, put out. We have the 60s, the 70s, and the 80s. They are also taking pre-orders for their new 1990s box that is set to release in June, I believe. I've been reviewing and unboxing for Retro Pop Box for a few months now, and I love their box. They are $25 a month shipped, and they're really awesome. I have also partnered with them and the Coop, the Coop is an online, really cool, retro-y kind of online store, and you quite often find a lot of their items in Retro Pop Box because they're kind of partnered as well. But I have teamed up with Retro Pop Box and the Coop to do a very awesome giveaway here on my YouTube channel. I will put a link to the Retro Pop Box site as well as a link to my giveaway video in the description box below. And if you decide to enter the giveaway, you must be a subscriber to my channel to qualify to enter. But I don't have much battery left on my camera, so let's get to unboxing. This box has been staring me in the face for a few days, and I've been dying to open it and trying to avoid spoilers, even though I wanted to watch other unboxings so bad. Alright. And as with every Retro Pop Box, the sticker on the tissue paper will have a phrase that relates to that decade's catchphrases. This one says, "To the max." Let's open it. And there's always a shirt on top, which I will save to last. Every box comes with a shirt. And I saw the first item, kinda. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. This is freaking amazing. Officially licensed collector's patch set made exclusively for Retro Pop Box. And it is, 3 patches, even though 2 are set to connect together, but they are 3 patches from Beetlejuice. That's so awesome. And as much as I love patches, I don't even want to take them off here because they just look so cool on that card. I may just get a frame and frame it just like that. That is awesome. I love that. The next thing I see is, ooh, I love little notebooks, and this one is a Star Trek The Next Generation notebook. It's really nice. And it's got a calendar in the back. And one of those little clear covers on the front. And on the top, or still in the box, we have a Star Trek Next Generation pin. Very cool. I love pins. Alright, so we've got one more thing, and that is the shirt. And every box comes with a... My hat don't want to stay on, I'm cold. Every box comes with a Retro Pop Box fun fact. Which I will read in a minute. So here we go. This is pretty cool. And I usually show you guys first. I'm tired. So it says, product of Saturday morning cartoons. And we've got superheroes and also video games and all sorts of different 80s retro morning cartoon related type characters on there. So, let's see. Retro Pop Box fun fact. Forgot my glasses. Saturday morning cartoons were created to fill a 4-hour time slot on Saturday morning when kids were most inclined to watch TV after the school week ended. The networks found that cartoons kept the attention of kids better than more expensive live-action shows and offered a prime audience for advertisers to focus their messages to kids and parents. And then they gave a list of some of my favorite shows growing up. Popeye, Looney Tunes, Super Friends, Godzilla, Mighty Mouse, Heckle and Jekyll, Tom and Jerry, Scooby and Scrappy-Doo. Ooh, love my Scooby. Spider-Man and Friends, Smurfs, Heathcliff, Speed Buggy, Thundar, Shirt Tales, Monchhichis, Mr. T, Snorks, Muppet Babies, Care Bears, Real Ghostbusters, Pound Puppies, Garfield, Alvin and the Chipmunks, Teen Wolf, and more. So, yep, I remember all those quite well. So, very, very cool. Come on. And then they've started doing this on the back of the spoiler card. They do these little nostalgic mini art prints. And over here we got She-Ra and He-Man. I think I still have some of my She-Ra figures. I can't remember his name for the life of me. And then we got Mikey who eats the Life cereal. So, but another awesome box from Retro Pop Box. Go check them out. Go check out our awesome collab giveaway over on my YouTube channel. And that's it. Wake up! Myself and my favorite thing in the box had to be this. I love Beetlejuice. That is just too awesome. Oops. I'm knocking stuff over. Little biscuit. Tori baby bye. Up. Up. No. Come here. Kiss. Kiss. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Don't drool on me. Ugh, gross. So what we tell everybody, say like, comment, subscribe, high five. He's not behaving this morning. High five, come on. High five. High five, come on. Yay, good boy. He's being a brat. He wanted to play with the water company workers working out on our street today. So he's mad that I wouldn't let him. So, but that's it for us. We're out of here. Peace.